All right, so I'm assuming that you watched my other video, which is 10 reasons you shouldn't quit your 9 to 5 to start a lawn care business. If you didn't, please take the time and watch that video prior to this one, because again, this is a series that I'm trying to come up with and just kind of, to assist you, man, because a lot of information we get out there in the lawn care community and YouTube land is kind of deceiving. It makes you think that, you can just quit and everyone is out there waiting for you and the money is coming out. You can become a lawn care millionaire or billionaire or thousandaire, whatever the case might be. Be smart about what you're doing. Okay, so check that video out. So today we're going to explore when quitting your 9 to 5 actually makes sense. So I'm going to give you a couple of points when it really makes sense to quit your steady paycheck in order to get into this business. The first thing is, let's clear something up, right? Quitting your 9 to 5 to start a lawn care business isn't brave. Let's get that right out the gate. Doing it at the right time is a smart thing. So most people quit too early, and then a few quit too late. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly when quitting your job actually makes sense. This is no hype and no fantasies. This is 15 years of doing what I do and dealing with what I deal with. And again, this is my opinion. So let's go with point number one. Your lawn care income is already replacing your paycheck. So the number one rule is, you don't quit your job hoping lawn care works. You quit your job when it already is working. If your lawn care business is consistently bringing you 70 to 100% of your take-home pay, again, take-home pay from your job, that is your green light. Not one good month, but several months. Preferably, again, if you can, a full season. Do it for the whole season. See how you feel. See how everything goes. And keep in mind, every season will be different. So don't count on, because you did it this season, next season is going to be great as well. Because one thing real quick that you need to kind of put into perspective is that, you have some season you have like a lot of rain, and some season you have drought. So make sure that you pay attention to that. If the money isn't there yet, stay employed. Now, point number two, you have a financial cushion. So before you quit your job, you need a margin, at least 3 to 6 months of personal expenses saved. And here's why. Because your equipment would break down, Mother Nature would throw a curve into there, so the weather will ruin certain weeks. And then, you have customers that leave for whatever the case. They pass away, they move. I'm in a military town, so a lot of them, move, they get deployed somewhere else. If one bad month can sink you, you're not ready yet to quit your job. Savings buy you decisions instead of panic. So keep that in mind. Point three, your schedule is holding you back. Now this is a big one. When your 9 to 5 start costing you money, turning down lawns, rushing jobs, losing customers, now that's a signal. So if you're already booked solid on evenings and weekends, and the demand is outgrowing your availability, your full-time focus can actually make you more money. So think about that. Point number four, your systems are in place. Before you quit your business, it shouldn't feel chaotic. You should already have your pricing figured out, a repeatable route, right? Simple invoicing, a way to get new customers. If everything lives in your head, you you'll drown once this is full time. So quitting should reduce your stress, not multiply it. So please be very aware of that. Point number 5, you've proven you can handle the pressure. Yeah, the side hustle phase is a test. So have you dealt with late payments, handle complaints, work long days without quitting? Because that's a big one, man. It's long days and it's hot. If you're already burned out, doing it part time, full time, it will expose that really, really, really fast. So quitting makes sense when pressure sharpens you, okay? Not breaks you. All right? So keep that in mind. Point number 6. You're ready for responsibilities, not freedom. This one matters. You don't quit for freedom. You quit for responsibilities. No boss, no paycheck guaranteed, no safe net. So if you're disciplined without supervision, you're built for this. I'm telling you. You need structure from a job to stay consistent. Keep the job longer. Simple as that. And this is my last and most important one, guys. Listen, your personal life can handle the transition. This affects more than just you. Talk to your spouse. Look at your bills. Consider your stress tolerance. If quitting creates chaos at home, it's the wrong time. So, guys, please, these are great points. Take them into consideration. And it takes on an average of 3 to 5 years to be as comfortable as you may find it to be comfortable. Most business will fail, but with a lot of determination, willpower, believe me, you can do this. Guys, let me know what you think about this video, and see you on the next one. Have a blessed one. Pop smoke. Peace.